public warning system. The test is normally conducted between 10 a.m. and noon each Wednesday, weather permitting. The signal was also used to test the activation and emergency readiness of the Skywire network of radio operators. Now for the official national...
Alright, since the weekly test was decoded as a 1 hour event, I think they're going to send another one. Might as well get my SAN GM MRD8, which was charging this entire time.
Snow level 4,500 feet, becoming 5,000 feet in the afternoon. Light winds becoming west 15 miles an hour with gusts to 25 miles an hour in the afternoon.
Let's see if it happens.
Chance of measurable precipitation 20%. Tonight, partly cloudy with a slight chance of showers. Lows 33 to 41. Snow level 4,500 feet, becoming 3,500 feet overnight. Areas of winds west 15 miles an hour with gusts to 25 miles an hour. Chance of measurable precipitation 20%. Thursday, partly cloudy. Slight chance of showers in the morning, then slight chance of showers in the afternoon. Highs 49 to 55. Snow level 3,500 feet, becoming 4,000 feet in the afternoon. Light winds becoming west 15 miles an hour with gusts to 30 miles an hour in the afternoon. Chance of measurable precipitation 20%. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for San Diego County Mountains. Winter weather advisory in effect from 7 p.m. this evening to midnight PVT Thursday night. Today, mostly cloudy with a slight chance of showers. Highs 45 to 52. Snow level 5,000 feet. Areas of winds west 15 to 25 miles an hour. Gusts to 30 miles an hour, becoming 35 miles an hour in the afternoon. Chance of measurable precipitation 20%. Tonight, mostly cloudy with a chance of showers. Lows 26 to 36. Local snow accumulation around 1 inch. Snow level 5,000 feet, becoming 4,000 feet overnight. Areas of winds west 15 to 25 miles an hour with gusts to 40 miles an hour. Chance of measurable precipitation 40%. Thursday, mostly cloudy in the morning, becoming partly cloudy. Slight chance of showers. Highs 41 to 48. Snow level 4,000 feet. Areas of winds west 15 to 25 miles an hour with gusts to 35 miles an hour. Chance of measurable precipitation 20%. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for Coachella Valley today. Partly cloudy. Highs 70 to 75. Areas of winds northwest 15 to 20 miles an hour. Tonight, partly cloudy. Lows 44 to 49. Areas of